very well aware about the tragic incident where George Floyd actually lost his life under the knees of a US police officer. Even on a recent episode, we saw how this incident stirred up rallies and protests worldwide. And on that note, entertainment industry stars like Jennifer Lopez and Ariana Grande, they have also joined hands with the protesters. And on that note, Friends co-creator Martha Kauffman has admitted that she did not do enough to promote racial diversity in her shows. Any 90s kid who likes Western series would have definitely watched this Friends TV show. Actually, this Friends show is a classic and even millennials are a huge fan of that show. So Martha Kauffman was a co-creator of this show, and on a recent virtual interview, she was asked what she wished she knew when she started out her career. For this question, Martha Kauffman answered that, "I wish I knew then what I know now. I would have made very different decisions." So what is this about? What is the decision that the co-creator of a very famous and a very successful show is talking about? Before we get to the answer of this question, let's see about the characters, that is the main characters of this hit show, and allow me to take you down the memory lane. So the characters are Ross, Rachel, Monica, Chandler, Phoebe and Joey. So these 6 are the important characters, and these characters are played by actors David Schwimmer, Jennifer Aniston, Courtney Cox, Lisa Kudrow, Matt LeBlanc and Matthew Perry. All the characters are white. Despite the huge success of the show, I mean, the show was not only successful in America, the show was successful all over the world. It was also dubbed in various foreign languages. So in spite of this huge success, the Friends show has been criticized in the recent years for its lack of diversity. Even its own cast members, even its own crew have criticized that the show should have been more diverse. So during this year's ATX TV festival, the Friends TV show's co-creator Martha Kauffman said, and I quote, "I wish I knew then what I know now. I would have made very different decisions. We have always encouraged people of diversity in our company, but I did not do enough, and now all I can think about is what I can do." So this is what the co-creator of the famous Friends sitcom said about the diversity element of the show. Also earlier this year in an interview, the actor David Schwimmer, that is the actor who played the role of Ross Geller, he said that he proposed a diverse remake with characters from other ethnicities too, and maybe there should be an all-black Friends or an all-Asian Friends. He also added that he was well aware of the lack of diversity, and he campaigned for years to have Ross, that is the character Ross, to date women of color. So it appears that the actor David Schwimmer actually had his opinion about the diversity element of his show, and we should also note that in that show, Ross actually dated an Asian woman in 2nd season, and then he went on to date an African American woman in the 10th season. Lisa Kudrow, who played the Phoebe Buffay character in the Friends TV show, was actually asked that what a modern day reboot, that is a modern day remake of Friends, would look like, and for that she answered, "It would not be an all white show." The cast of Friends is also all set to reunite for an unscripted special show which will be shown on the HBO Max streaming service, and in that show they will be shown reminiscing about their time on the series. However, this production actually got delayed because of the coronavirus pandemic. Friends was arguably one of the most successful and one of the most popular sitcoms that was ever aired, and it actually ran for 10 seasons from 1994 to 2004. It has since gained a whole new young audience. Actually, did you know that there was a Tamil remake of this show? Actually, it was not a remake, it was a copy, and that show actually copied the storyline of the Friends TV show. About 15 years ago, there was a show named Krishna Cottage that was aired in a very famous Tamil entertainment channel, and that show actually had the storyline of this Friends show. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay connected with us for more such updates.